Hey everyone, Sylvia here, and welcome guys to my CopyPaste Animations Volume 2 review. So this is the newest launch by Max Rilsky, okay? And this product goes live today, October the 27th of October. 10 a.m. New York time, and here we have the sales page which tells you all you're getting. I love the sales page, and by the way, Max Rilsky is a super cool vendor. I love his products. He's all about quality over quantity, even though he does deliver in terms of quantity here as well. Because what you're getting here with this product, and go check it out for yourself, the sales page, you are literally like learning everything about this product from the actual sales page. There's no fluff, no beating around the bush. What you see is what you get, and the quality is superior. I mean, this vendor has extremely low refund rates, okay? So it says it all, and all of the products are sort of in-house made, okay, so to speak. These are not PLR products. This is not some rebranded stuff. He's all about graphics, Max Rilsky. So he is the graphic designer. He does it all himself, okay? And as I was saying, what you are getting here, guys, is super cool, stunning, super professional looking animations that you can add to your videos to sort of create this not just Hollywood style, but just, animated, wow, like just to different, very, very unique look to your videos you can add thanks to these animations. And as you can see here from the headline, it says it's the easiest way to add stunning animations to your videos, no design experience and no fancy 3D animation software required. It works with any editing software, even with PowerPoint, okay? Just copy and paste done for your animation straight into your project. And this project during the launch, which is 5 days launch from today, comes with the commercial license. Or I may be wrong here. Maybe it's not even during the launch. It does come with the commercial license, regardless of when you are going to get your hands on these animations, okay? Okay, so we'll check out the funnel as well. There's a few, just 3 upsells. I'll explain them later. So this is hopefully gonna be sweet and short review. But I just want to explain to you and just show you what you are getting here, because it's a beautiful product, okay? So these types of animations, and you will have, thanks to them, you can make your videos stand out, outstanding videos, which will stand out and grab attention with these animations. So what you do, you just sort of copy and paste into your editing software, and you can use them with all kinds of stuff like intros, logos, text, VSL, so video sales letters, spokesperson videos, live footage videos, explainer videos, sales videos, all kinds of videos to just fancy them up. And here are some examples. You see, this is the before plain video, and then with the animation added. So it does add this like amazing wow effect. You can make the text and VSLs look awesome. Like here, there you go. You have the plain text, and then you have this with the animation, and they're very, very unique. Okay, and you can use them to make spokesperson videos look amazing as well. Like you see, this lady is presenting something. Okay, and even your logos, there you go. You see, you can turn this plain logo into an animated logo. Cool, for intro, outro, videos, by all means. You can even make photos look awesome. Like this is a plain photo, and you add this effect to a photo. Right, okay, so, and this vintage sort of style, I like that a lot, you see, before and after. Pretty cool. And the cartoon effects, okay, to your videos, like this. Anyhow, so the way it works, step 1, you choose the animation. Step 2, you open up your favorite video graphics app, editor. Works with any of the main out there, any video editor and PowerPoint, as I mentioned, okay? And then you just copy and paste the animation into your project and voila, okay? It is really easy to use them. And you're getting 5 animation styles to choose from. So the first one is the eye-popping 3D animations. The second one is the clean, flat style animations. The third one is the magical particle effects animations. And the fifth one, overlay FX animations, like the vintage video I showed you before. And also a cartoon FX animations. Now, guys, on the number of animations you're gonna get here, and there he goes about explaining, you know, talking about how much you would really pay for the freelancer if they were to, you know, design for you a good quality animation. So it may be quite costly, especially if you're getting it from someone who's wanted, in demand, a good freelancer, really talented one. It, you know, that they charge nice money for it. Now you're getting here, guys, 200 plus. With the volume 1, you got 100 custom-made animations. With volume 2, you're getting 200 plus custom-made animations with unlimited use, commercialized for the price of 1. Okay, so again, over 200 stunning animations, full HD resolution, high quality, 3D animations, 3D animations, particle FX animations, overlay animations, and cartoon FX animations. All animations are custom made, okay, very important, not CCO or PLR, so private label rights that you can rebrand, okay. No, they have been designed, you know, for this launch specifically by the vendor, by Max, okay? He's the graphic designer. MP4 file format compatible with all video apps, commercial license for all animations, as I said, okay? And the price is $37. $37 is a JVisu launch, okay? And, you know, some frequently asked questions, go check them out, quite a few, but it's just no problem product, basically. Works smoothly with any video editor and all of that. Now, let's check out the funnel. So, the front end, 37. Now, after the launch, guys, the price will go up to 47. Okay? I like the way also that he values his work. Again, Max is all about quality, not quantity. He puts his heart and soul into his creations, and I like it that he sells it for 37. Well, at the end of the day, it's 200 animations, not for some, you know, $10 or something. I like that when people value their work, because they know, you know, they bring quality to the table. Now, OTA number 1, 47. It's 3D animations mega bundle, so you can unlock over 400 more custom-made 3D animations. So it would surely go nicely with the front end, and twice as many, 400. The front end is 200, and only $2 more than the front end. Now, OTA number 2, $47. It's 2D animations mega bundle. This gives customers 600 plus sleek flat style animations. Now, OTA number 3, 47, it's copy-paste backgrounds. So what you're getting here is hundreds of ready-to-go backgrounds in different styles: animated, live footage, explainer, image, and much more. Okay, so that's the funnel, guys. Again, go check out the sales page, watch the videos, all of that. If you like this product, go grab it from me, by all means. By all means, I am promoting it. And as I said, the sales page is lovely. I love it because you actually see, you know, it's to the point. You see, what you see is what you get. And I have promoted many of Max Rilsky's products in the past. You know, always good feedback from the clients, extremely low refund rates, and that says a lot. Okay, guys, that's it. Love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye.